Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live on this Wednesday night. Beautiful skies, quieter conditions, and for most, I think it's going to be a very quiet night of weather heading through the overnight. Here's a look at our temperatures. We are still in the 80s at Hector and at Moorhead's Airport, 86 degrees. It's sticky out there. Dew points in those mid 60s. You can certainly feel a big difference in the air over about a week ago here across the valley. Cooler 70s north of Highway 200, where we have 70 in Roseau. And in Baudette, we have 80 in Sisseton. Look at this, 84 still for you in the Gwinner area. Here are the storms exiting finally, and as they made their way through today, there was hit and miss showers and storms throughout the day. In our northern counties, primarily, we did have a few out in the western reaches of Minnesota. A few severe weather reports, and mainly it was gusty winds with these storms, some in excess of 60 miles per hour in the Roseau County area, also in the Red Lakes area. And how about almost 70 mile per hour gusts today? This was just south of Cavalier with 1-inch hail from that cell. And some damage, unfortunately, to report in the Oakley area around the 3 o'clock hour. Christy says the kids' play station was not in good shape after storms moved through. Hopefully that gets picked up and is okay. Strong storms tomorrow form out to the west, and they will travel in our general direction as we go through. There is a risk of severe weather. The best risk or the best chance of that will be in our western counties. Gusty wind and hail will be the main threat. Out west, they could see some tornadoes. Tomorrow morning, as we go through a quiet overnight for most, we'll have some patchy fog. Temperatures near 65 to 70 to start your day. As we race through the midday, temperatures soar in the southern counties. We'll be warm up north as well. Notice the wind's fairly quiet, but late in the day, they start to pick up out to the west. Out west, we'll have ongoing and developing thunderstorms as the dinner hour goes through, and then these storms will kind of set their own pace as far as their timing of marching through. But an early look does show that as we get into the midnight to 1 a.m. hour, this line of storms capable of gusty straight line winds and some large hail will be pushing into the Devil's Lake Basin and James River Valley. As we go through the overnight, it'll continue to trek eastward, but the farther east they get, the lower the chance of severe weather will be as they fall apart, apparently moving into parts of central Minnesota. We'll keep our eyes on this, and we will keep you ahead of the storms as we go through your Friday. We start the day in the morning. This is still before most folks get up and get going with those showers and storms exiting. Still passing showers and storms early in the day on Friday with quieter conditions late. Aberdeen sizzling triple digits, nearly that as well in Sisseton. It'll be a little cooler up north in your afternoon planner. Sunny, a little breezy from the south out west for your afternoon. Modest clouds here. We saw a lot of these on Monday. We may have a chance to see some on Friday morning in some of our communities. Colin, thanks for uploading your photo. Planning forecast as we go through. Oh, look at this, 100% chance of ribs as we go through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We'll watch those late night and early morning storms Thursday night into Friday. After that, it looks quiet and very comfortable to get out to Rib Fest out there. And the rest of the week looks like the heat returns. Temperatures near 90 Sunday and into the middle of next week. Now, if you excuse me, I think after a weathercast like that, it warrants a piece of cherry pie. I'm heading over there.
Which is the group that performed there tonight.
I think it is.
All right.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Well, a new perimeter